Good night, my dear friends. My name is Valerio Salazar Botero. I was born in Pereira City. I was born in 1989. I live with my parents. My father's name is Valerio. My mother's name is Beatriz. My brother's name is Nicolas. My pet's name is Rex. I live in Cerritos, Pereira. I work in a farm with cows, with chicken, with popcorn. Okay, right now I speak about myself, about the trip 2 months ago. Okay, begin. I went to Santander with some friends. I stayed at my friend's house in the center, Santander City, and I had a great time. For me, the most exciting part was that my friend's mother made cocido montañés, one of my favorite foods. We also did some night walks in the towns around Santander City. I got a bit sunburned at the beach, but otherwise enjoyed the cool water, the food, and the beautiful landscapes. Okay, my friends, thank you very much.